Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said they put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it.
So welcome back to another vlog. It is a Sunday. Y'all just saw me do a little cleaning montage. Sundays are for cleaning here. We just did like a little reset. I cleaned up my office, vacuumed, cleaned the bathrooms, and now I am starving, but I wanted to check in with y'all. I got in a little package. It's just from Bath and Body Works. They were having, I don't think it was a sale. I think I had like a reward or something. And so since me and Eric have so many plugins in the house, we want to make sure we have like the little refills on deck. So when I saw that they had like a little promotion, I was like, oh, okay, I'll get some more plugins as backup. So I just got us 3 of the 2-packs. So this is the vanilla patchouli scents. Then I got the cinnamon spiced vanilla scent. Eric really likes this scent. This scent is like really fall to me. And then I got our Old Faithful, the mahogany teakwood. I'm so like tired right now, y'all, like sleepy. I'm not sure what we have on the agenda today. I'm about to eat some crabs. We actually got crabs yesterday, and we have some left over, so I'm about to eat that right now. It's only 12:28, but girl, I'm hungry and I don't feel like waiting for breakfast to be cooked, so I'm just gonna eat some crabs. I kind of want to have a chai too, but crabs and a chai just don't even sound right together. It sounds like bubble guts. Yeah, it's gonna be like a pretty chill Sunday. I'm probably gonna spend most of the day editing and whatnot. Sundays are very chill reset days for me. This is days where we do like majority of our cleaning, our laundry and whatnot. Yeah, y'all, I don't know if anything exciting is gonna be going on today, but we'll see. But yeah, I just wanted to introduce the vlog and let y'all know what was going on. So yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. I don't know if y'all remember, but the other day at Target, I picked up some cherry juice and I wanted to give it a try before I go to bed because I'm not really super sleepy, but I wanted to try it. Eric said he already tried it and he feels like it works. So we're gonna try it and see if I feel the same way. Just grab a glass, and I think you have to drink like a decent amount. Eric said it tastes like cranberry juice, so we'll see. I need to do my nails so bad. I feel like that's way too much. I don't feel like I need that much. That should be good, right? Like half a glass. I've been pretty much editing all day, so probably gonna continue this vlog into tomorrow because I really didn't do anything today. So yeah, this one will be a 2-day vlog because I ain't even gonna do y'all like that. So let's taste test. Oh, it doesn't even taste bad. I like tart things. It actually tastes really good. I'm a fan of the way it tastes, so I'm gonna have to update y'all on that in the morning and let y'all know if your girl gets the sleep of her life and how long it takes me to fall asleep. So I am going to go take my medicine and lay down and we'll see what happens. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. I look crazy. This is day number 365 with these damn knotless braids. Honestly, y'all, I'm probably gonna take these out tomorrow. I don't even care at this point. Like, I was trying to hold it off until my mom was able to do my hair, but at this point, I don't care. Like, I don't care. I'm gonna just take them out. So see y'all tomorrow morning, and let's see if TikTok knows what they talking about or if they lying, because they lie a lot on here. Okay. Good morning, y'all, and happy Monday. It is Monday. I told y'all last night that I was going to continue this vlog just because yesterday I didn't really do anything. So yeah, update on the cranberry juice. It did not work for me at all. Like, honestly, I feel like I was telling Eric I had the worst sleep of my life last night. Like, I didn't go to bed till like 2 a.m. was tossing and turning, like kept waking up. It was terrible. So I'm not sure why that is. I'm debating if I'm gonna give it another try. I'm concerned about it a little bit because when I like Googled it, it said that it provides like a high level of potassium, and that's cool and fine, except for the fact that I am on spironolactone for my skin. And one of the things with spironolactone, you don't want your potassium levels to get super high. So I wonder if that had something to do with it, like if it was interacting with my face medication or whatnot. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna give it another try, just because once I saw that girl that it said like you could get pretty much your day's worth of potassium from drinking cherry juice, I'm just like, yikes, I don't think I should be consuming that. So I don't think it's for me. However, Eric seems to really enjoy it. He says it works. So yeah, that's my update on that. But I love the taste, so I'm kind of sad that I can't really drink it because the taste, top tier. I loved it. I love like tarty type of drinks. So on the agenda today, we are currently headed to my allergist. I don't know if I told you guys this before, but I do get allergy shots. I have terrible allergies, and fall is one of my struggle seasons. Usually fall and spring are my struggle seasons. Hopefully this season it shouldn't be too bad because I am caught up, on my shots. I have been getting them consistently. So hopefully this season will be good to your girl. The weather is really nice today. It's not super cold, not super hot. I love it. It really feels like fall. Like, I just love it. So after that, after we get our allergy shot, I'm gonna go to my mom's house and get some work done, and then me and her later are probably gonna just like run some errands, kind of hang out. We are planning to go get my hair color, so hopefully they have my hair color in stock. If they do, I am going to get down on both my knees and beg my mom to do it. Like, ain't no shame in my game, okay, period. But yeah, the key is having the hair color in stock, because the particular hair color that I like to use, you can only get it at professional stores, so that means you have to be like a licensed cosmetologist. And then also on top of that, the color, I always notice they only have like one of them, and I definitely need like two to cover my whole head. So yeah, I will update you guys a little bit later.
Homa hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name was Ting the Dial, I stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Ayy, 2 sprinters to Quebec, Chevy pour et mon bec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set, you know I gotta bring the G block, you know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get, ayy. 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 She want me to play with that cat, ayy. She love how I make it all wet, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. Hey yo, ayy.
Hey y'all, so it is day 562 with these damn knotless braids. But as you guys can see, we are in a different location. I'm at my mama house because I am getting my hair done finally, girl. Anyways, I'm finally getting my hair braided. I'm not braided. I'm getting my hair dyed and taken out. So I, like, these past couple of days, I haven't really been vlogging, so I figured I would just put this in the vlog as well, just to give y'all a little razzle dazzle, a little something, baby, because the vlog is getting very much dry, okay? But I got a package from Stella and Haas. I don't know if you guys remember, a couple vlogs ago, I had a package from them, and I did order also like a custom necklace, which takes like, I think like 2 to 3 weeks to come. So I'm pretty sure this is it. Also did my nails. I love the shape. Hate this color. It's giving grandma. Like, I don't like it. but they're gonna stay because I refuse to take this off. Like, I'll just wait and see when they pop off. And it's gonna be funny because watch this be the set that lasts the longest because I dislike the color the most. So I'm excited to see my custom necklace. Bro, why is my name spelled wrong? Do y'all see this? There's like an extra Y. I can't wear a necklace, girl, with my name spelled wrong. That's gonna look crazy. I know Stella and Haas, they have great customer service. And it's just like, what do I do with this? Like, if your name is Shaylyn and it's spelled SHAYLYNN, hit me up. I'll send this to you. Because, girl, what am I supposed to do with it? What am I supposed to do with it? I'm going to email them really quickly while I'm thinking about it. But what we're about to do is start taking these braids out, honey, because, ciao. Mama don't got time. I gotta hurry up so that when my mom's ready, we can just boom, boom, bam. I'm so excited to take these braids out because they are crusty, dusty, and busty. Not my mama having liquor sitting on her countertop. Like, girl, you don't even drink. Who's drinking this? I got questions.
I've been on top for a while.
Whew. Okay, y'all. So I finally finished taking out my hair. I was watching Law & Order. As y'all can see, hair is taken out. Girl, look at all that hair on the floor. Yikes. So I'm gonna quickly clean that up. My mom called me and she is ready for me. So I'm going to head over to her. Yeah, so hair is taken out. I actually want to try a braid out, like once I get my hair colored. I think braid outs are really cute, and then like once you separate it, it could be a vibe. The only thing I don't like about braid outs is I gotta look crazy for a couple days. Like walk around with little braids in my hair. Eee. I don't know if that's a cute look for your girl, you know? But I'm gonna let my mom detangle it. I didn't really do like separate it or anything.
Nights I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it.
Y'all, it's me looking like the little Wendy's girl right now. I pre-dried my hair. My hair definitely came out a lot more orange. I use the same color that I typically use. The only thing that we did different is like we went in with bleach first so it could be a bit more vibrant. And for some reason this time it picked up more of the orange than the red because it's kind of like an orangey reddish color. Now, yeah, I'm just like, we'll see how it looks straight, but I'm like, it's kind of bright. I look like the Wendy's girl. I literally look like the Wendy's girl. Would you like a 4x4? It's like,
I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. See my brother sip mud with me. My bitch is a 10, my dad in the wind, I put in the wind. My car just caught another body night. Poppin' tennis, the cul-de-sac, slipping at the cul-de-sac. Sliding on the island, toe tag. Just in Miami, I was chillin' with us.
okay, y'all, here is the final hair. It looks so good. I'm obsessed with it. It's like really orange. It's like more of a ginger color. My mom said that there's still like red undertones, but it's super cute. We put a lot of layers in it to add some body because I hate like straight hair that's like flat. It's super cute, super like 90s. I am in love with it. Super cute.
Got a lot of M's on my mind with my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with two girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10